Test. Hi guys, hi friends, welcome to another Blender tutorial. If you're a new subscriber, I upload Blender tutorials, 100 subscribers, let's go. Today I'm gonna show you render viewport animation. Basically you can render what is happening in a viewport, some fire simulation, some animation that you set up, and this render gonna happen very fast because it's basically without lighting, okay? So I'm gonna show you how you can set up this. I am Blender. I'm gonna select this cube by the left click X and delete. Maybe I'm gonna go to the file, import FBX. I'm gonna load maybe some stupid 3D model, okay? Right here. And I'm gonna go to the camera by clicking 0. I'm gonna move the camera, of course, travel to establish some stupid shot. So there's that. As you can see, if I'm gonna just click play, my character just basically the animation is playing. Yes, I can render this stuff, what is happening right here, and maybe you just set up, like I said, some fire simulation or whatever, and you want to see how the fire basically taking place, how the smoke taking place, maybe how fast is disappearing and whatever. You can render this just to preview. Okay, this is without lighting. So how we can do this? Maybe I'm gonna set up something like, I don't know, 40 frames or 50 frames. This is just tutorial. I'm gonna show you in the maybe fire simulation too. I'm gonna go change the engine to the cycles. This is just to show you. Okay, and denoiser, I'm gonna go right here. Now I'm gonna go to this icon and change the file to the video format. I'm gonna click folder when I'm gonna save basically this. Maybe I'm gonna save this on wait guys, right here, and I'm gonna name this maybe this one. Yes, accept. How you can access this? Basically you just go right here on the view and you have the option viewport render animation right here. If I'm gonna just click this, this new window appears and the render taking place, and this is the key. The render is taken in place without lighting. Okay, so I am in solid view and it's gonna render in solid view. But if I'm gonna just click on the render view right here on the camera, I'm gonna show you the lighting not gonna have effect on my model. Okay, if I'm gonna just click this render viewport animation, so the render takes place as you can see, and I'm gonna open this file. This is the one, yes, right here, and as you can see I can preview this 50 frames right here. Yes, I have this file and I can preview this in Blender too. So if I'm gonna just go to the render right here and view animation right here, this new window appears, and this is my stupid render that I just render in. Fuck my English. I hope you get it how this works. So this is just preview. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. If I'm gonna just turn right here the render view, as you can see the lighting has some effect, yes, on my fucking mobile. But if I'm gonna just go to the viewport and once again click viewport render animation, as you can see the render taking place, but my character is not covered in light because this kind of style of render, this viewport animation, lighting doesn't have effect on this render. Fuck my English. I hope you get it how this works. So I'm gonna show you. The file is the same because it's I'm not changing the name, so it's finished. And if I'm gonna just open this file, this is on the basically render view, but the lighting doesn't have effect on my fucking model. So always remember, if you click in this render viewport animation, this is just a preview, basically how your animation is smooth and how basically you can preview the stuff. Okay, so that's it. So my always suggestion, don't render this in this fucking render view, render this in solid view, of course, because the lighting don't gonna have effect on your model if you're gonna just click this render right here. Okay, always render this in solid view. So I hope you get it. You can access once again, I'm sorry, view right here and viewport render animation, and you can access this in render and view animation right here. Boom, and this new window appears, and this is my render. As you can see, my model is not covered in light because once again I repeat myself 100 times in these fucking tutorials. This doesn't take place basically the lighting, so it takes faster. Because this is just fucking preview. And you can render this if you're gonna set up some fire simulation, how your fire basically reacts and whatever, yes? How the smoke's disappearing fast enough or whatever, if you're gonna add some force field, whatever, just to preview. This is just preview render, if that makes sense, without lighting. Thank you for watching, guys, this very simple, strange tutorial. I record this fast. See you in the next video.